The Google Ads Keyword Planner is a very powerful tool for getting a back-end look at what's going on with search volume and trends and cost per click and all that good information. Without that data, it's pretty hard to set up a successful campaign if you don't know what keywords to go after, if those keywords have search volume, how much the cost per click is, all that different stuff. So before I set up a Google Ads campaign, I always come to the Keyword Planner and plan out what keywords I'm going to target. Then based on the keywords I'm going to target, I can develop ads and landing pages and everything that are congruent with the keywords we're going after, right? So if you're not familiar, to access a keyword tool or the Keyword Planner, you just click on Tools and Settings in the top corner here, and then click on Keyword Planner right here. And that's going to bring you to the Keyword Planner page. And there's two different options. You can discover new keywords. This is predominantly what I use, but you could also get search volume and forecasts. So this is if you kind of already know what keywords you're going after. So we'll start here with discover new keywords. And let's say we're wanting to get some auto detailing clients. So we could put in auto detailing, and we can set the language as well as the country or the location. So let's say we wanted to just look at the state of Montana. So we can remove the whole United States, just select Montana, click Get Results. You can also put your site in here if you would like to get related keywords, or to filter unrelated keywords, excuse me. And there's some different options over here. You can choose, do you want branded? Do you want non-branded terms? You can also select different services. Do you want interior, exterior? So pretty powerful tools to help you narrow in. So like if you're not interested in anyone that's talking about price, you can just unselect price. And now it's not going to include anyone that's talking about price, right? Or any search terms. So some filters here where you can refine your keywords, and then some additional keywords you can add up here, just like some suggestions. But mainly what you're looking at is this graph, so we can see the trend. So during the winter, there's not a lot of auto detailing in Montana because it's covered in snow. And then as we come down here, we can see each individual term. So for auto detailing, there's 210 searches per month. If we hover over this graph, you can actually see what the trend looks like. So November, December, it's really slow, and then like February, March, things really start to take off. And we can kind of see that trend repeat throughout. But we can see car detailing near me is actually a better term. It gets like almost 3 times as much search volume as auto detailing. So now we know, hey, look, we should include this into our campaign. So you can actually go through and select these and then create a keyword plan. And then when you're ready to go, you have all those keywords saved and you're ready to rock and roll. You can also just export. I like to do this. I export the whole list and then refine what keywords I'm going after in a spreadsheet and then save that, so I always have it. And there's some other information in here too. So you've got, your keyword, your search volume, your 3-month change. So this term has gone up 129% over the last 3 months, which makes sense because we're coming out of winter and going into spring. We got the year-over-year change, so it's up 255% over this month last year. Competition is how many people are advertising on this search term. So there's very few people going after this term, which is why the cost per click is quite low. Top of page bid low range is $1.88 or $1.81, and top of page bid high range is $3.50. So to get to the top of the first page, you're going to have to pay somewhere between $1.81 and $3.50 per click. It's probably going to be closer. It's probably going to be about like $2 somewhere in there. But with these cost per click prices here, we can start to make sense of whether these keywords are worth going after. So if someone searches for car detailing near me, we can get a click for, let's say it's $2. It takes 5 clicks to get a lead. So we can work through that math and see that it's going to be profitable. So that's the overview of how things work. Obviously, you can come in here and add, more keywords. But this is just a really powerful tool to get data straight from Google about what keywords are available to go after. It's giving us all sorts of like full service car wash near me, So we can really zero in on what terms people are using, figure out which ones we want to go after, and then build our Google Ads campaign from there. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there's anything you have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.